Dear AI aspiring engineers, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Project. Today we try to see one of the interesting project in deep learning by using the RNN and LSTM, that is nothing but the next word prediction. It may be used in a mail composition or in text composition like Grammarly. How it was doing behind the scenes we try to observe. Without further delay, now let us jump into the project. Now you can see my GitHub Alex Vatti DL next word prediction. You can see it on the screen. This repository is organized like this. App will be containing the Streamlit app and the pre-built model. Because of the size constraints, we are not uploaded that H5 model. The other token.pickle, it has been there. So this is the prerequisite, we need to build it. And app.py is based on the Streamlit for front end. And if we can calm down, DL next word prediction.ipython notebook and pride and prejudice.txt is the input source we are using. And if we can scroll down, it's a deep learning TensorFlow Keras as a framework, and it is doing the next word prediction. We are saving the model and we are deploying, or we are using the Streamlit as a front end. And this is nothing but the next word prediction, how it is looks. First step, you need to clone this one to your local machine and enter into this one, and if you want to run from your local machine, you can install the requirement.txt. We'll put the requirement.txt in this file. We will try to do after this video. And DL next word prediction IPython notebook, you need to open either Jupyter notebook by locally or Google Colab. We have explained the steps, and run the pride and prejudice.txt into the local because it is using this file. And after running this one, you are getting the model.h5, model.keras, token.pickle. You need to copy to the app pre-built model and enter into the app directory and run the app.py. And while running the application, you can take any consecutive 3 words from here and the next word will be predicted. And without further delay, now let us see how we can build by using the Google Colab, and then followed by how we can see by running the app in the local Streamlit. Let us see how to build the model. Now you can go over here and clone this one by using the HTTPS onto the local directory. And I have opened the Google Colab and I have inserted the file or upload the file from local to here. And after this one, I have right clicked on the sample data and upload the pride and prejudice.txt. It was also there here. So these two files I have moved on to the Google Colab. Step number 2, go here, select the runtime to as a T4. You can see T4 GPU, save. Now come over here, the objective will be the next word prediction by using the RNN LSTM. What is this objective? If 3 words of a sentence is given, it will be able to guess or predict the 4th word. For this one, I try to install the TensorFlow 2.15.0. So this is the TensorFlow version. So I am clicking over here and running this one. You can see it on the screen. Requirement.txt, and you can install the pip install -r requirement.txt. The requirement.txt is also here, or we try to next one, import the libraries. You can see it on the screen, TensorFlow. From the TensorFlow, we are using the Keras. Under the keras, the models is the sequential, layers is embedding LSTM indents, pre-processing text is a tokenizer, and padding also we try to see, and the utility is also two categorical, pickle, numpy, os. After execution of this cell, you can see the tick mark. Okay, now before running this one, you need to import the pride and prejudice.txt into this one, and after this one right click and copy path and put it over here. Now let me run this one. What I am doing here, I am taking this file and line by line I am keeping into the lines list. After this one I am converting into the string, and I am replacing new line /r or double quotes, everything I am replacing with as a null or removing it, and then I am splitting by the spaces, and I have given this entire text. Only the 500 words I have given, and the rest of the things it has been there. After this one I am doing the tokenizer, which will try to take this entire sentence and break it onto the tokens or words which are unique in this dictionary. So you can see the sentence data. Okay, 1,31,180, the length of this single sentence. Now let me identify the vocabulary size, that is 7252. These are the unique words which are available in this dictionary. Now what I am doing is, first three words I am taking as X, and fourth word or fourth token I am considering as Y. You can see, you can consider 0th word 1, 2, and this is the third word, and now you can see 181, 390, 100. So this is first, second, third, and this fourth, and now it is similarly it will go like this. Now what I am doing is, from here the first three words is the input, and the fourth word or the fourth token will be the output. That I am doing over here, X and Y. And Y, what I am doing is to categorical I am doing, and the size is nothing but the vocabulary size. The vocabulary size is nothing but the 7252. Now we are creating the model, that is sequential. You can see the first layer is embedding, and the input length is the 3, and the vocabulary size and the embedding size is this one 10. And after this one LSTM 500, this is a return sequence which we will try to get the output from here. And next layer is LSTM, and next layer will be the dense with activation as a relu. The last one will be the dense with activation as a softmax, and it is giving the model summary. You can see the total parameter size and how much memory it is consumed, that is 41 MB. Now let us train the model by loss as a categorical cross entropy, optimizer as Adam, matrix as accuracy, epochs as a 30, batch size as 64, and I have given X and Y. Now it will try to take at least 10 to 15 minutes to run 30 epochs. So let us wait. Now it has been completed the 30 epochs. You can see it on the screen. Now let us save the model in H5 format and keras format. You can see it on the screen. You have saved the model HDF5 file, and this format is considered as a legacy, and we recommended to using the native keras format model.save. So we have used both of them. And now this model.save where it has been done. Now let us see it where it has been went into here. Okay, yeah. Now let us see the path of this one, copy path. Okay, maybe this was there under the content. You can see it on the screen, content. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, content. So I am taking this one and I am putting over here just for the content. it has been there, new model H5 and Keras. So both of them it has been saved here also. So now let us predict. Now let us see this one, this next word model dot h5 token dot pickle. I am loading both of this one, predict next word. I am taking the model tokenizer and text. From text to sequence I am doing array, then I am predicting and I am getting the argmax. So from this dictionary I am taking key and value. If it is there, it is printing this one. And here while true, this is infinite loop, taking the input from the 3 words are in a line from the user, and if it is 0, it is execution is complete. Otherwise it is splitting into the last 3 words and calling this predict next word. You can see it on this screen. Now let us see. First of all, let us run this one. After this one, let us run this one. Okay. So for this one I am moving above. You can see the sample text, it has been there. Now the this book is, I am taking these 3 words, consecutive words you need to take and come over here and enter. This book is not, this book is not, like that it is predicting the next word as a not. And anyone, anywhere, in. So this is the 3 words, 3 consecutive words I am selecting, and you can see anyone, anywhere, in the it has like been predicted. It is predicting the next word. I am closing this one. Now these 2 models I need to download into my local. For that one I am downloading the model H5 format. Right click and download. You can see. And this one also you need to download. So it will say take some time. This is a token.pickle. It has been downloaded. Next word model.h5. So it is taking some time. You can see it is slowly, it is downloading. Let us wait until it has been downloaded into the local machine. Once it has been downloaded, you can see it on the screen. It is 124 MB file. You can see it on the screen. Next word model.h5. So this is the file. So what I am doing is I am opening the VS Code on my screen. Now I am going on to the download. You can see these 2, and this is H5 format model I have taken. I am copying that file into the app pre-build model. So here I am copying. So this is a step number 1. After building the model only we will get this one. We are not storing next word model, that is H5 file, H5 format file in our GitHub, because whose size is more than 100 MB. So that's where it is required to build on your own by using the Google Colab. This is the prerequisite. Next, after not, you need to check and you need to open the py. Now after this you need to go to this location and rename and copy this and put it over here. Yeah, and this is H5 format, so I am adjusting to like that, and all these things will be the same. Now I am saving this one. So this is importing the necessary file. This is a TensorFlow, Streamlit, NumPy, and this is a double, so I am cutting down. Model, load model, I am selecting the next word predict model, and token.pickle file. These 2 are the mandatory. And predict next word, which is taking the model tokenizer as a text, and text to sequence it was converting, and from there it is converting into the NumPy array, and after that one it is predicting and getting the argmax and searching inside this dictionary and hand overing to us. this st markdown will be the how this streamlit front end how it has to look, that is the thing. And predict the next word, we are giving some image, and please at least 3 words is required, and these 3 words is a consecutive 3 words from the text file we have given, because that is the two thing, that's consecutive 3 and the text file we have given, and it will try to predict the next word. So this is the one. Now let us run this one. Go to the terminal, new terminal, cd app and streamlit run app.py. Now so predict the next one. This is the streamlit. Look how this application looks. This is the message or 3 words you need to give consecutive and find the next one. For this one, what we have given here, we have given the readme and the sample. So this book is, now I am copying over here. It is taking the time. This book is not, it is predicting the not. Okay, use for anyone. Now I am going over here, use for anyone, anywhere. Next I am going over here, in the United. Now let us see what word it will predict states. So like this you can play by going over here, or you can go and open this text file pride and prejudice.txt, and you can copy whatever you want and it will try to predict the next word, but it should be consecutive and 3 words minimum it is required. We are not keeping the H5 model because of the space, and there is with this one we come to end. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment sections, I will respond. And for more interesting updates, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, and we try to meet in the next video.